Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy oven baked barbecue chicken. As you can see, my chicken is already washed and well seasoned. I have some barbecue sauce and I have some jerk sauce. I've already preheated my oven to 425 degrees, and I'm going to place my chicken into a disposable baking pan and let it bake. Stay tuned, guys. I've placed them into the disposable pan. Easy cleanup, right? Less stuff to clean up. And I'm just going to separate them. Okay, guys. So guys, while my wings is in the oven, I'm going to mix my sauce together. So I'm going to add a barbecue sauce to a bowl. And next, I'm going to add my jerk sauce. And guess what, guys? I've decided to add some pineapple juice. How about that? Doesn't hurt anything. And I'm just going to combine everything together. Okay? Just whisk it all together until it all comes together. Get to know each other. That's my sauce, guys. Guys, it's been 30 minutes, and basically what I'm going to do now is turn them over on the other side and put them in for another 30 minutes. Stay tuned. Looking good so far. So guys, this is the chicken. It's exactly an hour, 30 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to remove them from the pan and put it in a bowl. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just going to pour the sauce over the chicken. And I'm going to put it back in the oven. I'm going to put my oven on broil because I want my chicken to have a little crispiness to it. Okay? See? Same pan, just put your chicken back. Arrange them nicely. So I'm going to put it in the oven until it's nice and crispy. Maybe like 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, I broiled the chicken on one side for 2 minutes. And basically I'm just turning them over to the other side so the other side won't get jealous. Okay? Here it is, guys. My delicious oven baked chicken wings. I will put everything in the description box. Guys, let me know if you try this recipe and how you like it. Until next time, I appreciate you guys watching. Be kind to others. I'm just going to try one for you. You know I couldn't go without trying one for you guys. Oh my goodness. Delicious.